Yeah, two very good sides, obviously. Both teams banging form as well. No one's beat Juve still this season.
DC in 1993, Marco Simone got the only goal. There's what it's all about. Of silverware with the Bianconeri. So much 2016, and by Lazio at the Olimpico in 2017. Right now it's the only... A very experienced referee in charge tonight, as you see there. Luke deprives Juve of Mandzukic, Benatia, Cuadrado and Barzali this evening. But they do have Xiaoki, captain of club and country these days, an international colleague of Alessio Romagnoli, the outright most successful club in Supercoppa history. On loan from Chelsea, this is Çalhanoğlu. It's AC Milan looking to do the early running here. But out of play, 4-0, but they've certainly got off on the front foot here, and that was good defending by Chiellini.
That was very
nicely done. And Douglas Costa!
Oh, dear.
Certainly had Donnarumma concerns. Northern Italy to Jeddah, although it'd take you more than 2 full days. You'd go through Croatia, Serbia. Douglas Costa whips one in, plenty of pace on it, and off the header with Kessié getting into the box. Çalhanoğlu too.
He should have done a little bit better. Not Çalhanoğlu.
Perennially loaned out Chelsea player. Not the winning penalty. Çalhanoğlu. It's nice to try and bend one, and he's capable from that sort of distance.
Yeah, it wasn't a bad hit.
For quite some time. Castillejo in a race with Chiellini, and it's going to be a nil. João Cancelo with the chance to cross. And it was headed clear by... Now this could be promising here. It's only fractionally wide again from João Cancelo. Here back in June, he'd had that loan spell in Italy with Inter.
Enough, there's one from the training ground.
In it goes, and it was headed clear by Romagnoli.
Still only 19. You feel as though he's been around forever. It's enough.
Bakayoko's ball wide here to Rodriguez. Fired in towards Cutrone, who had it wide here to Alexandra. 3 in the box. Cross nowhere near any of them. Yet for the Juventus keeper, it's Çalhanoğlu with the ball in, but that was a bit underwhelming in the circumstances. Castillejo, encouragement for the Rossoneri. Chiellini got there. Calabria.
Don't want to give the ball away too cheaply. It's hard work getting it back.
Alexandro with the cross. Dybala. A nudge there off Samuel Castillejo. Douglas Costa. Dybala, too close to Donnarumma. Matuidi is in there too. Douglas Costa with the cross. Too much on it for Ronaldo.
Yeah, I think Douglas Costa.
Chance to cross with the outside of the boot for Douglas Costa. Kyoko, Castillejo looks to try and bend one in. And they were a bit unsure of the back. Breaks for Kessié, and he's done well to win the corner. Cristiano Ronaldo, and it's Chiellini all the way forward.
Oh, you're away.
Douglas Costa, and it was Paqueta who made sure the cross. Çalhanoğlu with the pass here, and it's Cutrone who just didn't quite time. Always looking for the room for the shots, and there's the pass for Matuidi, and it's in.
All ahead of the ball. Normally when you have a midfield 3, you sort of have 3 pivots and just keep...
Costa and Pjanic looking to take one on from distance. João Cancelo getting forward as he loves to do for Juventus, and drives Cutrone, all waiting for what they hope will be a good ball in. It wasn't bad, was it?
Very good.
Some problems. Anti-back defending here for the Rossoneri as Douglas Costa tried to... Is Alexandro, and that wasn't a great challenge by Castillejo. Of action than we've had so far, the supporters, as it's cleared by Romagnoli. Alexandra. Castillejo.
Well, and late Ronaldo, Mandzukic. Oh, that's a little bit late.
Looks naughty, no surprise. Good movement again here by Paqueta. And he's got Cutrone in the box. He's so highly rated. Here's Dybala. Bricks fortunately here for Ronaldo. Kessié to Cutrone. Paqueta now to Calabria. Cancelo. This clearly wasn't the intention of Alexandro. Movement from Dybala.
Ronaldo in the last corner. Go far post like that.
That's a good cross, Ronaldo! That's the chance that he's been. Cutrone. Chiellini blocked it. Calhanoglu!
Oh, what a hit.
Good save by ahead of this game. So that added to the speculation, but we'll see whether Gonzalez.
There's Matuidi and Bentancur especially to try and get forward in support of Dybala, Ronaldo and Douglas Cobb.
With real focus in those eyes. It's cleared by Nolu, but it was quickly closed down by João Cancelo. Cutrone!
Oh.
So close! Instinctive shot from the centre forward, and it nearly resulted in the opening goal.
Well, that was a brilliant effort from Cutrone, just spun on his left side.
Fired in by Alexandro.
Now and lots of crosses to come in the box. Be another one.
João Cancelo looking to go on the outside, and that's a great cross into a really good area. Just nobody had attacked that space, but nothing. Here's Ronaldo. Played it against Pjanic. Matuidi's cross, headed clear by Romagnoli. 10 gone now in this second half in Jeddah. Pjanic with the ball in. Ricardo Rod 22nd half minutes. Secured a fourth League and Cup double in a row. And hit by Miralem Pjanic, who's not had his shooting boots on tonight.
No, it's the second one he's hit with the second.
Ronaldo to have a go! And stung the hands of Donnarumma.
Yeah, it's the last place. Calabria won.
Paper from Kessié, who's got Paqueta in support, and Calhanoglu was the pass. They had a man over and they... Calhanoglu to Ben One. Not a million miles away.
No, it's a good effort.
Castillejo. Pjanic. Good ball in. Ronaldo! That's the chance he's been waiting for. And Ronaldo has taken it. And Juventus, the champions, have the lead. Lovely ball to find it. And it was the most simple of finishes for Cristiano Ronaldo.
Brilliant run from Ronaldo. They might be checking on VAR. I think Milan asking for an offside, but in real time, it looked as though Ronaldo timed his run to perfection. He ran from deep. Pjanic with the ball.
Paqueta with Calhanoglu to his left. The only player who's been involved in all 19 league games this season for Juventus. In-point pass to João Cancelo. His cross to the back post, and another league in terms of professionalism.
I think he's come on since the player he was at PSG, Matuidi. And his business, technically excellent, got great vision, picks passes, fantastic attitude. Break probably down the right-hand side. And he loved before it.
He got the word from the VAR that he should have a look at this, Luca Banti, and it's a Sandro, and deflected. Oh, very awkward that for Donnarumma. It's Bentancur with the cross. Bentancur. Cling on to go forward.
Yeah,
Someone like Maldini back at the club. Leonardo. Yeah. Got a game under his belt as he comes back from that knee injury.
They are keeping hold of the ball.
João Cancelo bursting forward here, and into the box he goes. Zapata keeps it going. Cross into the box was good, and there's big appeals there. The challenge was from Emre Can.
Conte. It's desperate defending. That's a 50-50 call. Meat and drink for Juve, this.
Dybala. It's deflected. Taken by Dybala, but not his best. Khedira with the run into the box. Bernardeschi's brought this a long way. Dybala. Oh, lovely play by Juventus. Dybala!
Must be off.
The flag is up.
It was too sort of good. It was too good to be true, really. The passing was that good.